So remember that video we did a long time ago about Stolz brakes? Leo convinced me to throw it on my G-Wagon. So this is the first time I'm looking at it. Tell us about these brakes again, Leo.
This one is proudly made in Korea.
Made in Korea?
Yeah.
You told me it was made in Germany. Look at this. It's got the German colors.
Well, because they got the KBA certificate.
Oh, okay.
And the TUV certificate for Germany countries, right?
Okay. I don't know if I want them anymore now that they're made in Korea. Okay. Show these to me, Leo.
Sure.
We haven't even opened them, right? Jesus, those are huge. Look how big those are.
Yeah. So this caliper is for the front.
Okay.
So it's 8 pistons actually. So it's actually huge.
And I like that color.
Yeah, and the brake pads are huge. It looks like a banana.
Two-piece rotor.
Rotors, yeah.
Okay. Look at that, guys.
Oh, there you go.
Holy jeez.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get these things, see what they look like on the car. So
Yeah, this is huge. The size is 405 millimeter.
Okay.
For the front. Yeah.
Yep.
And even the newest one is probably 6 pistons, I believe.
Yeah.
Well, this one is 8 pistons.
8 pistons.
So their braking power is much stronger.
Nice, eh?
These rims,
Yeah.
I guarantee you,
They
perfect
look
match.
nice. Yeah. So Leo actually got these wheels for my vehicle as well. You can kind of see these brakes are end of life. Look at that. Look at that rotor. It's like it's like nothing left, right? Leave the keys with you, my friend.
Thank you.
We'll check in when it's done.
Thank you.
So this is a special jacket, you're saying? It's awful. It's so ugly.
This is amazing.
It is?
This is amazing. Yeah, look at this. Oh, how amazing it is.
Yeah, you look really good, man. So it's done.
It's not. Yeah, look at this. So yeah, this is actually really big with
Yeah.
8 pistons, and yeah, there's only like a small tiny gap
Yeah.
between 20-inch rims and this caliper.
Yep.
And we went out for a test drive.
Did it
well,
stop?
Yes, it stopped.
Good.
But the road is really like icy, so we couldn't tell the difference between before and after.
After. We'll find out.
Yeah, you'll find out.
Yeah, as long as it stops. Oh.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Thanks, Leo. This
No
is
problem. Thank you.
super exciting, and thank you for giving us, you know, this the fashion advice too.
Thank you.
Yeah, you look good.
Amazing. Yeah, thank you.